Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Liana May Obacho, 24 years old. I am single. I am college graduate. I had experience here in the Philippines for 4 years as house helper. Finished contract from May 5, 2021 to May 7, 2025.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as house helper are taking care of kids, assist family every day, including washing clothes, cooking, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby and an elderly?
I will take good care of them, cooking food for them, feeding them, and I will make sure that they are clean and healthy, and by serving them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam and Sir, I finished my degree in radiology technology, and I can cook Filipino foods, and I can drive motorcycle, and I am willing to learn more when it comes to cooking, especially Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam and Sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, fast learner, honest, God-fearing, and multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam and Sir, if you hire me, I will promise to you to finish my 2 years contract. God bless and thank you.